Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with PayPal, full guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with PayPal, log into your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, locate the wallet option in the menu. Click on wallet to see all your linked bank accounts and cards. If you haven't linked any bank accounts or cards, select link a new account or card. Follow the prompts to connect your bank account or debit/credit card. Now that your accounts are linked, head over to the Activity tab. In the Activity section, review your recent transactions. To track your spending, categorize your transactions by clicking on them. Create categories like groceries, entertainment, and bills for better organization. Next, set a monthly budget for each category. To do this, calculate your average spending in each category from prior month's activity. Write down your budget goals for clarity. Now, use the Reports feature to analyze your spending patterns over time. In the Reports section, you can generate monthly spending summaries. Review these summaries to identify areas for potential savings. Consider setting spending alerts in PayPal to keep you updated on your budget. To set an alert, go to Settings and then click on Notifications. Choose alerts that fit your budgeting needs, such as low balances or unusual activity. Make a habit of checking your budget weekly to stay on track. Utilize the Send Money feature wisely by only spending within your budget. If you receive payments through PayPal, allocate these funds according to your budget. Lastly, adjust your budget as needed based on lifestyle changes or financial goals. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your finances with PayPal and work towards your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.